see them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue, clouds of white, the bright blessed day, dark shady night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They really sing, I love you. I love you. I hear babies cry, watch them grow. They learn much more than I ever do. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself,